Hey everyone, welcome to 374 Windy Harbour Road, just on the outskirts of Northcliffe. I'm here on just over 17 acres, and as you can see, we've got this beautiful backdrop behind us, where it's actually the creek which borders along the side of this part of the block. And have a listen to that. It's nothing but birdsong. Anyway, let's see what Lily's got to say about the house.
Thanks, Colin. The house behind us is a beautiful homestead property with an expansive living area, and you'll find 4 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. Currently being used as a weekender, why not extend it to be the perfect hobby farm, or why not be your permanent tree change? There's got lots of potential to put your own stamp on this property, so come and have a look through.